Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn, back with another video for you guys. As you guys can see, I am doing a nail video. So these nails here are not acrylic, they're not polygel, none of that. They are actually stickers. They're the peel-on stickers. I'm going to show you guys how I did that. But before we get into it, remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, and ring that bell. All right, come along with me.
And it goes a little something like
So you guys, here I am using my nail polish remover just to clean off any nail polish that I had on there. I actually had clear nail polish on there, so I'm taking that off, removing that, and then I'm gonna go back in and probably file the nail just a little bit more, just to make sure I got all the other stuff on it. And I also had polygel nails on, so it still had a little bit of leftover from that. Okay, so this is the nails that I will be using, called In Cocoa, and they are called Mermaid Tail. And I just love the ombre effect that it gives, and of course it's got glitter, so I'm feeling it. And these are the instructions that come with it on the back for you guys. So this comes with it. You have your nail pads, which will clean your nails. Then of course you have your nail stickers. You guys see, look how it sparkles. Pink and blue and silver, that's pretty. And then here is instructions, and it comes in English and in Spanish. Then you have a little pink file, little cute pink file too that comes with it. Okay, as you guys can see, these are shaped different. This side has more of a square shape, and this side has more of a round shape. So it allows you to choose which one fits your nail bed the best, because we all have different nail beds. Some have square, some have rounded, and mine is more square, so I'm picking the square side. So I think it's pretty neat. It allows you to be able to choose so that you have the best fit for your nail. And then after that, you'll just tear off, and then you'll start to peel. You have a red tab that you'll peel, and then there will be a silver tab that you'll peel, and then you stick it to your nail. And you guys want to kind of stretch it just to make sure that it fits on there snug. So you'll stretch it, and then after that you will file it. And you'll want to file in a downward motion as best as you can. Guys, when you're doing this part, you want to make sure that you have it fitted to your nail as best as you can before you press it all the way down. Because if you press it all the way down and it's not fitting like you want it to, it's hard to get off. I actually did that with one of the other nails, and I had to file it off with the file. So yeah, just make sure you're real careful with it before you place it on your nail all the way. And also make sure you have all the bumps out of there before you press it down all the way too. Yes, you guys see how easy that's coming off of there? Just file gentle as possible, and like I said, file in the downward motion. Alright, so I am almost done. This is the last step. I am using clear polish. It's LA Girl. Clear polish just to kind of help make it shine a little bit more, and also just to give it that extra security of staying on. Maybe a little bit longer. Don't know if it'll help or not, but I figured I would try it. So yeah, this is the last step, and then you guys will see the finished look. And there we have it. I really like how they look. I really love the sparkle of it. Not too bright. I like it. I like it, like it. Hope you guys like it. You guys also let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Don't forget, like always, like, comment, subscribe, share, or ring that bell, and turn those post notifications on, and that way you know when I'm making videos for you guys. Alright, peace, and God bless.